Hi guys.
Okay viewers, in today's session now we are going to make a crunchy and crispy bread cutlets. Everyone likes to eat it in snacks and also in the tea time. Especially this is very famous for your children. Okay guys, let's start the preparation for crunchy and crispy bread cutlets. See? We'll prepare a stuff now. For that, first switch on a gas and put a pan on it. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil. Also add a half more tablespoon. Let it heat for a second. Now add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, chopped green chilies. Now add a 3/4 cup of chopped onions. And now add a little amount of ginger and garlic paste. And also add a pinch of turmeric powder and roast it. See here? Now add a cup of corns. Guys, if you don't have the corns, you can also add a lot like peas, carrot and all. Here I am using corns. Mix it well. And now add a salt as per your taste. Saute it until it become a scoop. Okay guys, see it's done and also the aroma is coming so good. Now we'll add the boiled potatoes in this and let it mix. Guys, see, now we are going to add a coriander leaf. Guys, see, now it's totally done. Now switch off the gas and set it aside until it becomes a cool. Guys, we have done this stuff. Now we'll make and prepare this cutlets. Okay guys, for the cutlets, first you have to take 2 breads and cut the 4 sides of bread into like this. Now take a roll pin and roll it like this, smooth way. So guys, make the bread like this. Now take some water drops and put on the bread like this. Now take a prepared stuff. Take into small balls. Now let it roll carefully like this. So here, now stitch the both sides with the water drops like this way. So make like all breads like this. If you want a more crunchy, then you can also dump this bread into breadcrumbs. Guys, repeat the same process. Okay guys, see here I made all the breads like this. Now those are ready to fry. I will fry the cutlets. For that, put on a gas and put a kada on it. Now add an oil into this kadai. Now let it heat. Okay guys, see the oil is heated. Now we'll add the cutlets and fry it. fry all this like this. Guys, don't fry it on a high flame, fry it in a medium flame, okay? So guys, see, it's totally fried and it's looking so crispy and crunchy. So now you can remove it from the oil, take a plate and shift into that. Slowly. Look here, it's looking so yummy now. Crunchy and crispy. Wow. Okay guys, repeat the same process. And see the yummy and crunchy, crispy, mouth-watering bread cutlets are ready. So are you ready to taste it? Okay. Before we gonna taste it, again we'll see the ingredients and the process of the bread cutlets. Nice and good.
You don't know I want to all this.
Why, yaar? I'm also eating
Hey,
it.
looking nice.
Look, guys. No. It's looking so crunchy.
taste
No?
it?
Sure, why not? And I can't wait more. Okay. Look, the crispy outside and all.
Very crunchy.
There's no word to
Perfect.
say about this recipe, you know. Really.
What?
It's really so yummy. And there's no words to say about this.
It's perfectly crunchy also.
Really wow. So good. Wow, feeling good. That's why Goodfood is good mood for you. So guys, try this recipe at your home. If you like this recipe, hit the like button, share with all and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.